friends, welcome back to your channel, The Number World, your number, your life, and I'm Vidya, numerologist and Vastu coach. Well, as humans, we are all very curious to know more about ourselves. Our date of birth can actually identify our strength and weakness. Our date of birth is given to us by God. So, no date of birth is bad. We are all born with a purpose. To find that purpose, we must endeavor to take the best out of these numbers. Friends, each number has a more comprehensive and nuanced significance in numerology. The traits of each number can also vary depending on the individual's numeroscope, that is, the chart. In today's video, you will learn how to prepare your own numeroscope. But before I begin, may I request you all to share, like and subscribe my channel if you find this video informative. If you have any comments, you may please write it in the comment section, or you may email me or call me on my WhatsApp number. So let's begin. In Lo Shu numerology, a Loshugrid is also known as the magic square. It is a 3x3 grid. It is used in numerology to create a numeroscope. It's a personalized numerology chart. Your date of birth only will be filled in that chart. So, through Loshugrid, you can understand your personality, strengths and weakness better. So you will know how to explore your strengths and how to improve and work on your weaknesses, thus working on yourself to ensure a better future. Please keep a pen and paper ready so that you can prepare your numeroscope along with me. I will take a date of birth as an example and I will try to show you how you fill in the numeroscope. Before that, let me explain a little. The 3x3, the 9 squares grid consists of 3 horizontal columns and 3 vertical rows. The squares contains the numbers 1 to 9 arranged in rows and columns. The numbers are arranged in such a way that the addition of 3 numbers in each row, column or diagonal will total to 15. You just have to follow the standard Loshugrid as you fill in your numeroscope. Now my example is 23 April 1973. That is 23/4/1973. I will draw the block of 9 squares. Now I will follow the numbers from left to right and fill in the squares. My starting number is 2. So look at the standard grid. Where the placement of 2 is, I'll place 2 in that square. Similarly, next number 3, then 4, then 1, then 9, 7 and 3. Now this is the basic date of birth numeroscope. In this we do not have the birth number nor your destiny number added into it, nor have we added your KUA number. That is in the later stage. For this, now you just have to understand this is your raw numeroscope. In this numeroscope, what are your strengths and weaknesses that you have received at the time of your birth. From here, we try to understand later how we can strengthen it by finding your birth number and destiny number. So, I hope you have entered this and you have understood the basic numeroscope. The standard Loshugrid has all the numbers from 1 to 9. Now what do these numbers 1 to 9 represent? Each number has been given a specific trait or a characteristic. These numbers are also related to the planets and they also derive the strengths and energy and the vibrations from the planet. Let's see what do each number represent. Number 1 is represented by the planet Sun. It denotes communication. More importantly, the articulation of what you speak is denoted by number 1. It also denotes your career. Next is number 2. This number relates to partnerships, relationships, sensitivity and the intuitive abilities in a person. Moon represents this number. So how good your relationships are can be seen from this number. Number 3. This number relates to the intellectual capacity of a person. What is his memory power, his wisdom, knowledge, his creativity, and the family support that he derives, and the support that he derives from his mentors and teachers. Jupiter represents this number. Family relationship, health is also seen with this number. It is a number of siblings too. Number 4. This number relates to wealth, discipline, hard work and prosperity. Rahu rules this number. It shows how practical you are in terms of finance. It also shows your argumentative skills and conventional attitude towards life. Number 5. This number relates to communication and emotional stability. How you are able to balance your social and personal life energies. Your business acumen is also noticed in this number. Mercury represents this number. Travel and freedom is also connected to number 5. Number 6. This number relates to luck, name, fame and money, even to luxury. It denotes family, friends and children. The relationship with father is also seen in this number. Venus represents this number. Number 7. This number relates to children, spiritual growth and younger siblings. It also relates to lessons learnt through disappointments and losses, that is in love and finance. This number is represented by Ketu. Number 8. This is the number of prosperity and abundance and success. Your ambitions, your discipline, financial skills are reflected in this number. Saturn represents this number. Number 9. This number is related to name, fame and social reputation. This number represents idealism and humanitarian acts. It also is a number of gallantry. This number is represented by Mars. Friends, if any number that comes in a pair, then its strength is maximum. If it is coming only one time, it is a little under. The same number comes 3 times in your chart, then it is with an exaggerated characteristic or trait. If it comes 4 times, then it is considered to be a negative trait or a negative number. Missing numbers can indicate areas where you may need to focus your energy to achieve balance and harmony in your life. They can also represent untapped potential or unresolved issues. The deficiency created by a missing number can be remedied. Over-energizing or over-enhancing a missing number may not always be advisable. We need to carefully choose the remedies suitable to a date of birth. But we have to keep in mind that the interpretation of missing numbers will also depend on each individual's numerology chart and the destiny number. Only a numerologist can provide a more personalized and detailed analysis. A normal basic numeroscope will give you a fair idea of what you are lacking and what are your strengths. So friends, today I have shown you how to prepare a numeroscope and what traits the numbers are associated with, together with their planets. In the next video, I shall explain what the horizontal columns and the vertical rows represent. In addition, the 2 diagonal lines and their importance in the chart and how it can be a game changer in your life. I hope you found this basic knowledge of Lo Shu numerology interesting and you will apply it to yourself, your friends and family and help them to know their strengths and weakness. So, if you found this informative, do subscribe, share and like my video. Till then, take care and goodbye.